Marla Mendelson, and today we're going to make tiramisu. The main ingredient in tiramisu is mascarpone cheese. It's an Italian cream cheese that's slightly nutty in flavor, and if you can't find it in your supermarket or specialty store, you can substitute 16 ounces of cream cheese and 2 cups of heavy cream mixed together. Tiramisu is really simple to do. It's a matter of assembling. So all you have to do is create an espresso and rum mixture. Mix in the mascarpone cream, so you've got a mascarpone espresso cream filling, and dip store-bought ladyfingers in an espresso mixture. So what we do first is we'll mix together, to make the cream, we'll mix together egg yolks and a 1/4 cup of sugar in an electric mixer for about 5 minutes. That's a long time. It's going to get very light yellow in color, which is a good thing. From there, you're going to mix in some espresso, some rum, and the 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Don't overmix. You don't want the mascarpone cheese to break. So very gently, you'll fold all of that together. That's your espresso mascarpone cream. Then you'll take espresso and some more rum and pour it into a pan like this, just to mix together, and you'll dip your ladyfingers in that coffee or espresso rum mixture on both sides. So just flip it over, quickly. You'll then take those and place them in the bottom of a 9x12 pan, almost like building a lasagna. You'll put down your soaked ladyfingers. You'll top it with half of the espresso mascarpone cream, more ladyfingers that are soaked on top, and finish it off with the rest of the mascarpone cream that you have. To make it look beautiful on top, you can add shaved chocolate or even chocolate chips, refrigerate overnight, and serve the next day. You're going to love it.